हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। एंड आज हम फॉलो करने वाले हैं सोनाक्षी सिन्हा का एक मेकअप वीडियो। एंड उसमें वो एक ब्राउन स्मोकी आई कर रही हैं। एंड आई लव ब्राउन स्मोकी आई बिकॉज लिटरली किसी भी ड्रेस के साथ वो जा सकता है, मे बी इंडियन, वेस्टर्न, एनीथिंग। एंड इट्स क्वाइट ईजी, सिंपल एंड क्विक टू डू इट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट लेट्स क्लिप द हेयर ताकि ये मेकअप करते वक्त बीच में ना आए। एंड उसके बाद she is doing her moisturizer and primer. So I have already applied moisturizer, so we'll directly go with the primer. I'm using this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. बहुत छोटू सा अमाउंट लगता है इसका, and it's very nice because I have oily skin and इसमें मुझे सच में स्वेटिंग नहीं होती है and मेकअप भी स्टे करता है काफ़ी देर तक। हालांकि मैंने सिर्फ 5-6 आवर्स के लिए मैक्सिमम पहना है अब तक, बट दैट 5-6 आवर्स वर गुड and my makeup was intact and I removed it after coming from outside. So this primer helps in blurring your pores, so you are supposed to dab it, not rub it. So I'm just dabbing it. Now she's applying concealer and I'm using this Haus Labs one because ये मेरी स्किन का एकदम परफेक्ट मैच है। लिटरली मेरे को करेक्टर की ज़रूरत पड़ती है और जस्ट वन स्टेप एंड माई आईज आर instantly good because I have some great dark circles, as you can see. I have only applied it under eye because eyelids पे मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम प्राइमर ख़रीदा है, eyelid primer, and we are going to try that today. The eye primer and we are going to try it first time. This is from Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion original. उसमें tinted भी options थे but I was not sure about my shade, so I ordered the one which is like common for everyone. Gonna just prove this story. Now it's time for the foundation. I'm going to use one pump, this much. थोड़ा ज़्यादा आ गया है but ठीक है, नेक कवर हो जाएगा। So this is very high coverage and this actually lasts. Oh, I forgot to show which foundation I'm using. I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Air Blush Flawless in the shade 5.5. ये आप देखना ये कितना ज़्यादा स्प्रेड होता है। Few dots and it has actually covered this side of face. पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि ये मेरे लिए थोड़ा लाइट है, बट आई वॉज जस्ट टैन। जैसे ही विंटर्स आई आई वॉज लाइक नहीं, यही मेरा शेड है। आई बॉट इट ऑनलाइन। मेरी ज़्यादातर शॉपिंग ना ऑनलाइन होती है। Like I go and I try lipsticks all the time, lipsticks and eyeshadows, and when it comes to foundation I just I'm confused and I ordered it with that online feature where you can just find your match, and sometimes it's right, sometimes it's not. So एक MAC का concealer मैंने लिया था which is lighter than my shade and now I use it for highlighting, but these are expensive products. You just can't waste your money. You have to find a way to use them. Time for contour. Charlotte Tilbury Contour Bond in the shade Fair Medium. So I'm just doing it on my cheeks. I don't do it in the jawline because makeup is all about how you want to do it and how you enjoy. She has done nose contour as well. मैंने कभी ट्राई नहीं किया है बट वी कैन गिव इट अ ट्राई। सो आई नो मेरे कुछ पिंपल मार्क्स अभी भी दिख रहे हैं। सो इफ़ आई वांट आई कैन टोटली हाइड देम विद कंसीलर, बट आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद दिस। पहले मैं एकदम 2 pumps of foundation use करके I used to like cover them all and I used to feel so heavy, but eventually I'm like, I'm okay with my skin. I have acne prone skin and they come and go all around the year, so it's okay. She has not applied blush and I cannot do my makeup without blush. I'm going to apply it, so I'm using this Rare Beauty blush and this is in the shade Virtue. I just love it. I love blush. They are very pigmented. This one is a little nude shade of Rare Beauty blush, but if you take the ones which are like dark, they are very pigmented. You don't need 3 dots. You just have to apply 1 dot and you are good. I think we are good. All the cream products are done. Now it's time for the powder, using the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the most popular powder. It's in the shade 2 medium. You know, I love this concealer because it actually doesn't crease. और जैसे कि बाकी concealers होते हैं ना, you see lines. इसमें मुझे दिखता नहीं है. If I apply the right amount, you will not see the lines. Big brush for the face. I have very oily skin and मेरे मेकअप के बाद मेरा मेकअप करते करते ही I could see that okay, I have started sweating. Okay, अभी तक तो नहीं दिख रहा है. She is doing a matte brown smoky eye and she is using a dark brown color, so I'm going to use this one, right? This one. She is going for a lighter brown shade, so I'm using this one. Blending it out nicely so it doesn't look harsh. I think eyeshadow is all about blending, right? Like, you need time and patience. Now she has used a reddish brown on the lids. So this was the dark shade, this was the light shade, and यहाँ पे बगल में I can see that there is a reddish brown. Yeah, that's. And she has only used it on the eyelids. Now she is using the dark brown, which we use for the crease for the bottom. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys which eyeshadow palette is this, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. Do you know how I searched this palette? So basically I just googled bestseller eyeshadow palette and this came out, and this also has the like most reviews in Sephora, and I was like, yeah, I should try it. So basically this was my first branded eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I think it's looking similar to her. थोड़ा एक तो जगह पे glitch हुआ है, but we can fix it. This is what she has done, and she's not going to use any other colors. So she is using a little shimmer eyeshadow on the inner corners, and we are going to do, and she's using a golden shade, like, so there are 3. I think I should go with this one. Now she's doing the cleanup upper part mein, and we'll try to do it neatly. फील लाइक कि आपका थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप हट गया है यहाँ से, जस्ट टेक योर कंसीलर ब्रश विच यू यूज्ड विदाउट एनी प्रोडक्ट एंड जस्ट यू कैन जस्ट टैप इट। इसमें ऑलरेडी रेसिड्यू प्रोडक्ट होता है, फिर अगर प्रोडक्ट लेके करेंगे तो it will look cakey, but since this concealer brush already has the product which you just used, it's going to look very natural and it will just cover it. This is the look that she has created. So I'm using an eyelash curler because my lashes बहुत ज़्यादा flat हैं, you can't even see that I have eyelashes. Using this mascara, L'Oreal Paris Telescopic. मुझे लेंथ का ज़्यादा शौक है, like to have long lashes which I don't have, and volume is fine for me, so I use this one when I just want the length. I don't dip the wand again and again, I just take it out to remove the excess and use that on both the eyes. Now you can see my lashes. I have this lash separator. I'll just brush it so that my eyelashes, if they are merged, they can get separated and the excess mascara will also come out. Excess mascara. Now time for eyebrows. So first I'll brush my eyebrows. बहुत कम eyebrows हैं, you know. I hardly get my eyebrows done, like maybe on my birthday and you know New Year, because my anniversary is also in January. So मैं कभी नहीं कराती हूँ. इंडिया में कराती थी बेसिकली, यहाँ पे तो वो भी बंद है क्योंकि यहाँ पे जनरली थ्रेडिंग पार्लर्स बहुत कम जगह होते हैं. दे डू आईब्रो बाय वैक्सिंग एंड मेरी बहुत कम है. एक बार तो दे रिप्ड माई आईब्रो एंड इट वॉज लाइक दिस ओनली एंड आई डिडंट लाइक इट एट ऑल. उसके बाद से मैंने जाना ही बंद कर दिया है. आई जस्ट बॉट अ डिवाइस ऑन अमेजोन. आजकल तो हर जगह ही सभी यूज़ कर रहे हैं, सो आई जस्ट यूज़ इट टू रिमूव द एक्स्ट्राज एंड दैट्स इट. Now it's time for my favorite product, which is lipstick. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills shade Rosy Mauve. I just love the shades of this lipstick. Like they have so many good nude shades. I like इनका texture थोड़ा better हो सकता है, but I just buy it for the colors. Now she is doing the highlighter on the cheekbones. This is Charlotte Tilbury Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter Pillow Top Glow. And a little bit on the nose. She has done a little bit on the brow bone. And we are done with the makeup. Last step is setting spray. I'm using this Milani Make It Last Original Natural Finish. Now let's remove these clips. We are done and this is the final look. Let me know कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो. I'm not a pro, but I'm learning day by day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on this video and let me know if you want me to try something. I will definitely try it.